May buntag na tanan, no? Ako, Pepsi akong driver, akong sakristan, si Gary. Mga Antomeros Bukid. Magpakita na ko ninyo kung unsa ang mga kalihukan sa usa ka pare nga moadto sa usa ka kapilya sa bukid. So welcome ko yung muna ko para makakita mo at pakita na ko ninyo ang dalan ug unsa pa nga mga buhaton so sa kapari. Ako makita ninyo full pack tanan na mga gamit namo ug muna ang mga buhaton karon. Salamat ako yung taron, ready go. Off. Okay, so start na sa trip na to. Paingon na siya mismo sa lugar nga diin adto dito ang atoang kanang misahan. Okay, go. Steady ang pag-unit aron dili malipong ning kuan. Okay, so muli sa mga dalan paingon sa kapilya sa Kanlukbuhan. So nang inyong salakyan medyo dili kayo pang ingon ani mag rough road, maglisod din ning lugar. Muli sa dalan paingon sa Kanlukbuhan. Taas-taas din siya ng mga pangpang. Tanawa na nyo. Kada bulan may dirigari. Para po sa mga drivers, kinahanglan nga kung mo are ka dire, kinahanglan nga medyo anad na ka sa mga train ngayon ani kay malang-alangan ka, delikado. May mga parte nga simentado pero putol-putol. Kung sa motor po din siya, danlog din siya labi na kung ulan. Yara ako na ginaingon, kung maalang ang inyong salakyan dili kayo angaton man siya. Kung dili kayo siya mura bag-design para gid aning mga butanga, dili mga kadalana maglisod gyud. of course, may mga music sad me para pa kuan ra ba. Pakuhi ra dugo. Gatumbong ini nga kuan. Pero ang akong driver, muli siya si kuan, Pepsi nga ang tinod niya ngalan Edison. Pero itawag din sa Pepsi kay sa bata pa mo may ang hilig nga kining soft drinks. Pepsi. Yang ako po ron, soft drink yapon ang pangalan. Just ang ngalan siya. Sato pa in line with the kuan ba? Family history, ang apuhan Pepsi, ang apo Just. Sa sunod niya, na po niya sila ako nga. Sunod na po siguro kuan na po orange. No, sa unang ginaingon, dili sayon ang pag-ari diri. Kinahanglan og salakyan nga kanang design gyud para ani og ang design code para ang driver code kinahanglan nga medyo anad. For those who cannot understand Visayan, this is the way to one of the chapels here in Ayunggon, and of course some parts of the road are, you know, concrete, by others are not. So if your vehicle is not designed for this kind of road, this terrain, it's very dangerous. And also for the drivers, if you want to, you know, enter these places, you should be always be, you know, ready. No? You have the capacity to drive in a rough road like this. Anyway, we're going to a chapel named Kanlukduhan because of this. You see those, those ferns, they're called lukdo, and because there are so many like this here, they call this place Kanlukduhan. As what I have said, some parts of the roads are already concrete. This one is newly concreted. This is once a very hard road because it's so steep. But now it's so easy because it's already being concretized by the government. So thanks to our government here. It's not completed, but at least some parts are already concreted. This one here is the most hard part of the road because it's so steep and the road is so small and rocky. In the ice cream brand, it's called the Rocky Road, if you're familiar with it.
Kailangan kung wala kang sasakyanan kay kisangkot lang yung kalsada.
Yeah. So it's so easy to determine whether a vehicle had visited this place or not, because the road is so grassy, a lot of grass. I guess it's 10 to 15 minutes just to come to, to visit this place. Some houses here are concrete. That's that one. Look at that one. There are also concrete houses here. That one is one example of those houses here who are also well off, concreted. Yeah, it's not that easy. It's not easy to come here. So if not, you are not that an expert driver, it will really be hard for you. You have to practice first, and the vehicle that you should use should always be the one designed. We call that off-road vehicles. Okay, we are here. This is we have here the captain. Is it captain? No, it's not. It's not. Welcome to Kanlukduhan. Yeah, this is Kanlukduhan, of course. Na kana muna banda. Gawa ta rin ang anggar. Gari. Gawa ta sari. Ayo ubos may mapindutan niya nimo. Oh. So, welcome. This place is called Kanlukduhan. So, come. That's the chapel. English na lamang tanong kay para sa. Good morning. That's a chapel there. Muna sila ang kapilya diri sa Kanlukduhan. That one there is the elementary school of Kanlukduhan. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Nag-record ta. So, this is the chapel of Kanlukduhan and pakita sila no. And these are the parishioners here. All of them are handsome and beautiful. So, welcome to Kanlukduhan, and of course, after this, we'll also be going to Manabo. No? So here, I will be celebrating Mass, and then after celebrating Mass here, we will transfer to another chapel. We call that Manabo. Okay, so ato sa nang i-off ha, kay magmisa usa ko. Oh, gari oh. Ato sa dito. Bulitin, butang sana. Butang na dito. Sige. Tubang ito. Okay, so we have already celebrated Mass with our parishioners here in Kanlukduhan. And usually, after celebrating Mass, the parish will also, share some ayuda or relief goods to the people. No? So, we will now do the giving of gifts. Somebody please hold the camera. Ikaw na lang. I-adubang nila ang kon. Okay, no? So that's it. Dito dapat. Ikaw yun dali. Dito. Tagura. Lalinya mo. Just fall in line. Kana. Ito yun. Tagura. Then we are giving them two noodles and one soap. Of course, we have here soap and two. We have here. Okay, we have here some coffee. Okay. Usually we're doing this, we call this ayuda, and after that, we give them some relief goods. So, kapag greet mo sa mga viewers na to, mga followers. Ito ba mo dito to? Thank you.
Thank you.
So to have two noodles, one soap, and two coffee. Ano po ito ibang kuwan? Ano ito na?
Salamat din ako.
We call this, in our dialect, we call this ayuda. Or in your terms, maybe, you call this one relief goods. We usually do this, especially in areas like this, some maybe a little bit secluded, and we're also bringing some ayuda for them or relief goods. We have two sachet of coffee, one soap, and two noodles. We also have some candies for the kids. The kids, please. The kids, mga bata, please come forward. We also give some candies. We have here some candies. So we will give to the kids, of course. Two hands, palm, open palm. You open your palm. Okay, let's go out and we have some pictures outside. Dali, dali mo sa gawas. Kaya ito man yung i-post sa kuan TikTok. Ya, tubang tadid ta, tubang tadid, tubang tadid ta. Video na ay ano naglabti. So this is my parishioners here in Gumintok. This is Sitio Kanlukduhan. So we are here, of course. Supposed to be our schedule here is second Wednesday of the month, but because tomorrow is Ash Wednesday, then we a little bit transfer this a day before. So today is Tuesday. But of course, regularly, I always come here every second Wednesday of the month. So say, praise the Lord to the people. Say, ready, go. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Thank you very much and good day. Okay, gikan sa Manabo, Kalugduhan, malinata, ato ta pikas. Gikan namin dito lisod, highway na ni dire. Ubos lah, ubos lah. So, niya nata sa kuan sa Manabo. Lahi na po ni siya. This is another chapel from the chapel of Kanlukduhan. We are now on the chapel of Manabo. And here are these are my parishioners, the kids. Kamot, kamot. This is the chapel of San Pedro Calungsod, Sitio Manabo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So we are taking pictures of the chapel of Manabo, and this is a sitio of Barangay Candanaay. So we are welcome to the sitio Manabo of Barangay Candanaay, and focus the people. And these are the parishioners here. Say hi to our viewers. So after this, we will say Mass, and after saying the Mass, we will give some ayuda. We call that ayuda here. That is a relief goods, or maybe ayuda or tabang. And then afterwards, we'll be going home now. So that's enough. We will still have to say Mass. This is the chapel of Manabo. Thank you. So, i-off lang muna natin to para mag-misa pa tayo. Okay, so dito ka to. Ay, sa ubos lah, ubos ako nito. Atubang nako, atubang nako. Okay, so, usually, sama sa among gihimo kaganina sa kanlukduhan, ato in English, ka doon yung mga Amerikano man normally, after saying Mass, we give some, relief goods to people, our parishioners here in Ayungon. We call this in our local dialect as ayuda, or in the English term, we call this relief goods. So we are, every second Wednesday of the month, we used to visit this place. But because tomorrow is Ash Wednesday, and I have so many scheduled tomorrow being an Ash Wednesday, so that's the reason that we move it forward, and we have this Mass on Tuesday na, no? Santo ka dito, Pips. Ay, itunuran na siya. Okay, no? So that's it, no? So we will now, ang katurang mga gulang, katong mga dagko. Sige, linyalan ninyo. Tagsarag ko lang na. Usa ka linya lang, malibog mo kasi mo dawat kay gat ginagurhaman mo. Usa ka linya. Ko ako ni mga pa. Lain na.
Thank you, Pag.
Dagan pa lang ko. Gamay na lang. Giingnan ko na siya ganyan ang guntingan na. Ay, ginoo. Mga bata, mga bata. Ayaw ni, ayaw ni. Kung kindig yun, katong kindig yun. Butangin ang kamot. Sige lang. Ah, ito yun. Asa ha, sige lakaw ha. Ayaw sa lakaw. Ayaw sa lakaw. Ayaw sa lakaw. Dua ka kamot. Kuan, dua ka kamot. Kita, pelita. Asing lakaw, dai. Dua ka kamot. Dua kamot. Dekat nak pekin dia mana? Sige. Doa kamot. Doa kamot ikan, doha. Sige na, okay na. Ay, dengan apa kaya dagang pa mga bata? Diyan na. Bayan. Dua ka kamot. Dari Pep. Ya, tubang dito. So, ito siya ang ato mga kalihukan sa ato ang pagbisita sa mga kabaranggayan. Of course, every second Wednesday ang schedule gidire pero na-change gamay ito magka-as Wednesday manugma na ipakita ang mga tao. So, muna sila ato mga parokyano sa Manabu. Of course, daghang simbahan ganit sila matag Sabado ang ilahang kanang gitawag og simba kay kuan man kanang pagka-Domingo mamaligya pa man sila sa tampokon. Okay? So ito bang dito. So ito bang dito, diba? So panindog palihog. Ay, dapit. Ang Ginoo maanaa kaninyo. Manalangin kaninyo ang Dios makagahom sa tanan, Amahan, Anak, Espiritu Santo. Tapos na ang misa, nandun na to ang kalinaw ni Kristo. Adlaw. Brel Ave maghimaya ka, inahan sa manunubos, puno ka sa grasya. Kami dinhi o luwasa sa kalaugan sa sala. Maganda, Pims. So that was our trip today, and thank you very much for watching. And of course, the next time we'll also be glad. We will also be very happy to share some videos with you with regards to our blog, A Day in the Life of a Priest. Daghang salamat o good morning to all of you. Thank you very much for watching.